welcome to lipbalmboxes.com box folding video. In this video, we're going to show how to fold the 25 count stand-up boxes. They cost $2.50 on the website lipbalmboxes.com. Now here's an example of the unfolded box and the insert that comes with it. Then here's what the box looks like when it's all folded and ready to sell lip balms. So let's unfold it so we can go through how to fold it. Okay, here's the unfolded box and the insert right here. First thing we do, pick up the box, square it up, and we work from the bottom. First thing, fold in the flap with the notch, then the two flaps above and below it, and then the notch with the tab goes right in the hole. And this is what it looks like all done. Next, we flip the box over, and this is what you've got. Fold in the two sides, fold the top down, and we're ready for the insert. Got the insert? This is what it looks like. You just fit that right on in there, and we're done. Ready to sell lip balms. Thanks for watching.